You've probably heard of the term powertrain warranty, but what is it and what exactly does it cover? In this video, we're going to be discussing what a vehicle powertrain warranty is and what this specific coverage has to offer. More on that starting now. A powertrain warranty is one of the most promoted warranties on the planet. That might be a little bit of an exaggeration, but whether manufacturers are marketing their brand in commercials or car dealers are offering complimentary lifetime warranties with any purchase, they're usually always referring to a powertrain warranty, mainly because the length of coverage is typically the longest and the list of parts covered is the shortest. In simplistic terms, a powertrain warranty is a protection plan that covers the components that power the car. With new cars, powertrain warranties usually last anywhere from 60,000 miles to 100,000 miles. For example, when Kia talks about their 10-year or 100,000 mile warranty, they're speaking about their powertrain warranty. A typical powertrain warranty covers the cost to repair your engine, transmission, drive shafts, axles, transfer case, drive box, and differentials if they stop working. Even though this doesn't sound like a lot of components, these parts are typically your biggest, most expensive, and most important parts to repair. It's also important to understand that any repairs resulting from not maintaining your vehicle properly, like skipping oil change intervals, could void your powertrain warranty, meaning you'll unfortunately have to pay for the repair yourself. So make sure you take care of your vehicle on a consistent basis to ensure you get the most out of your powertrain warranty. I hope this video was helpful, and as always, thanks so much for watching. If you have any other questions or comments regarding powertrain warranties, or would like to suggest any other topics you want me to cover, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to download our free guide, The 8 Steps Before Buying a Car. You can find that link in the description area below. That's all for today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, I'm Matt Blatt, and I'll talk to you soon.